Nakapagpiyansa na ang babaeng Chinese national na nagsaboy ng taho sa isang pulis sa MRT. Pero agad naman siyang inaresto ng mga tauhan ng Bureau of Immigration. May news to go, si Von Aquino.
Kuha ito sa loob ng Mandaluyong Police Station mag-alas 5 kahapon habang kaharapid si Aled Chang at ng kanyang abogado ang mga nagpakilalang tauhan ng Bureau of Immigration. Si Jiang, ang Chinese student na sinampahan ng reklamo makaraang tapunan ng taho ang pulis na sumita sa kanya sa pagdadala nito sa MRT. Kwento ng abogado ni Jiang na si Atty. Sandra Respal, kalalabas pa lamang ng kanyang kliyente sa kulungan makaraang maghain ng piyansa nang dumating ang mga nagpakilalang tauhan ng immigration.
To bring Ms. Zhang to the Bureau of Immigration for clarification/investigation for the possibility or as an undesirable alien and the issuance of the warrantless arrest, something to the effect and in that order.
Nang tanungin kung saan dadalhin si Chang, sinabi umano ng team leader na dadalhin siya sa isang detention facility at ngayong araw gagawin ang preliminary investigation. Nang tumanggi pa rin ang abogado na pasamahin si Chang, dito na raw hiningi ang passport at visa ni Chang na naipakita naman daw nila.
Until finally I produced it. Now I said, so now what do you plan to do with her passport if you want to see? No, we have to confiscate it. On what ground? No, we have to confiscate it. Are you silly? I said.
Saglit daw na lumabas ng kwarto ang abogado para gumamit ng palikuran.
I just closed the door of my restroom, and I heard my client scream and shout, calling out my name. So I rushed, I went out of the restroom and tried to rescue her. And I was blocked by 3 or 4 burly men.
Alas 10 na ng gabi nang dumating sa tanggapan ng Bureau of Immigration sa Maynila ang abogado ni Jiang at kanyang kapatid. Pero dahil sarado ng opisina, wala na silang nagawa kundi ang maghintay na lamang sa labas habang isinasagawa namin ang interview. Dito na nakatanggap ng tawag ang abogado mula kay Jiang.
So this in Bikutan, okay, did he treat you well? Okay, because everybody's worried. I'm being interviewed here by GMA.
Kinumpirma raw ni Jiang na nasa isang detention facility siya sa Camp Bagong Diwa sa Bikutan.
She was abducted, literally abducted. And another thing also, this procedure they have executed is all illegal. I have to take some legal action against those responsible for this abduction.
Tiwalang kanyang abogado na walang basihan para i-deport si Jiang. Itinanggi naman ng Bureau of Immigration ang paratang na iligal ang ginawang pag-aresto kay Jiang.
They were armed with a valid mission order actually. Nagkaroon lang po ng konting siguro kaguluhan because the subject was resisting arrest. Kailangan po talaga siyang maaresto because she was already charged for undesirability for a deportation case.
Von Aquino, GMA News.